carry my Chopbox. School the big I have to focus. It no be easy for bad boy to pass course. So I follow the joke, I have to pass course.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men know me a fit. Over school, man, I dream me a hit. Your friend with the queen of pics. You was sentiment know me a rich.
I don't man a boom ya kwa kudi. One man tema you winni. Senior mighty my family lado. Uchen me tin kura you for bello.
I read me the baby first. Bad girls, me get no contest. Many the girls, me be the hottest. Who did you want grab? Me they want to find number one concern. Formation minister. Me coming home.
Reggie, I don't know me. Huh? Na me so akwa so me fro kan say untimi ma ade asan opeso koda.
Me free prepare na me call class. Opese me just me hu ne me campo.
Na di turo ne me ye na so ma say still na say o ma me feel say o me get kura no. And so dey no no.
Opese me ye ne dey.
Provision am dey blow my blues kan ma use na me say but still na am person matri. Ade. Be kan want ma kire wana Reggie. Me feel so so na me feel no ba o da makoma so. But I say kan ma no kan first kan me first kan nyama o say Jimmy. Ah, me no mun kun so no say ade.
Jiga, I was say.
We are still now.
On Tias
Still now on Tias here, no.
But you now yes ade.
My den.
Yeah, some for can be say. Oh ya de hwehwe me. My parents akwa. Ah, me ni nega ma we Chopbox e ba ko. Me ba na me lo na e ko because me say den ya o da bro to be Tias still now no lie.
There some kind say ma me cross and me free France. Ma me ya say wa. Me ska ni ama no.
After we happy. After na de we happy. Reggie. Me can lie dem so. And there so mo nwe ho de ekoso. Ah.
Well, them son come me ntwi ba ko kra.
Hey, Debbie, what are you trying to
like? Try ya e po be yo se gata wo. Enne e po be so gata.
No, Debbie.
Hey, mucha gano, dai vero. Passa come no pede wa.
No, we. Ah? Ve na. We da be na mo ya sa. Ka mo jasa na mo ya. Masa. Hey.
Na fo mu ni ya.
Ma mo sula na we say nye guy.
Guy.
Oh, ya guy chen na.
Eh. Na me la you can have la
guy.
Ya boy.
Senior sweeper.
Na mo suko.
Ra. Akura we pa ja.
Jiga. Ako offense or class be.
O fo mo no.
Hey, ono we na esa no.
Hey. Ya we pa. Na Steve Klaus na opre. Bia wo wa Europe. Me na me betwa so na obetwa no so na e dia no no.
Akwana ru na ye na e be pe ho asema ka no.
Me hia na dem me ne be ye no.
Kasa wo ye hia na because oni mi na nya. Hey, ja intela akwa.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men know me a fit.
Yale ne di gunu so ho bi o fa yo. Onko office there.
Me nyam crash hye I give we pa ja.
Hey.
Tell say pe bi ne yo.
Me nyam crash me crash chen. Ha. Girl no happy no. We a baddest girl.
Now small boy we pa so. Ja.
Akwa na metwukunu e me de pe metwukunu ro.
Hunu ba bia mebo no.
Metwukunu.
Ora. Big ups.
Ala, sikuma.
Le la be net one.
La be.
And now Regina Fena. Oh, Jack. Ah, Jiga, ubesa. One pa obi a me no ko baby a nambom ni ade. Ya started from one year be we train here school ni akọ. Na afa me chi na obesisi. Me kwa bro chire me na nse just few days, few weeks ni ade no. Baby am afa bia say so fa ho. Me de bro ni chef man no akoto afrim. Why? Ube pe obi a ma bebrebe wa campus there were so many women, so many ladies around. Fresh ones, but the main target no. That is where you go after. But why? You are my blood, you are my homie.
Akuma so ni bi. Kala no, o isu na adwun o campus wa. Because what you not quite Jimmy, but me who say, oh, as what church, you know, quite rich.
Ain't your banner, but I'm a seven so but you don't do that. You should be mature enough. So, Bano Beji, one copana better, Beji, one of the baby was Jigam Mejo. No, You're trying to be smart, say because of say Kumasi akwa and do fetch and see. Come back no we but we don't do that. Apart from me the no crown, the most important thing woman says case we could do any master anymore. Audience over school more. Then you will be a fan of Chopbox for the fear by we came individually. Individually we will go. What in common I mean to say? It's bonfire, so be symmetry and only a different issue. And I mean when you headmaster on a bonfire so no we could do our so best. Now you, I'm really disappointed in you. Somebody like him doing this shit, he can't control him. Say, yo, don't do this, it's not fair. You are rather supporting him.
Kumasi.
Oh, say me see sweating.
Kumasi.
Baby, I'm free banner. Yo, get this straight. Don't Kumasi me. You know, say Reggie, me did not share money now. You guys are aware. You are telling me, don't cry. I will support him. Come on, repugge. Hell, I didn't. Send the 3, right? Yes, you're better 2. I am telling you, you're better 2. Me inform me, chiga. I said, because I learned that our community yesterday, Jack. May they jack him for me. That proper now we do something. Give me. I say me see sweaty because me take case maybe I'm this speed there, banner. Senor, no run a JB as I'm mad. I'm telling you, me take him for. You see, yet I don't want. I'm telling you.
Kumasi. 2 times about TNT man.
Why are you so TNT? Na me come.
Get a fucking go.
When I'm right, guys.
Ayo, what's up?
Yo, man. Kumasi do try the answer on my style. Or be on me home what I say.
So relax. Relax. Charlie.
Kumasi, yeah, I'm rushing now. Kumasi, alright, you're rushing and can
It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men no be a fit. Over school management, me a hit.
Say, senior guys, Jigano, say no, see how me school. I don't understand. Only a friend, Steve. Do you know what they did to me? They nearly raped me. I swear, mommy.
And I'll jail life, mom. Now you
what do you mean?
And I was
when you make crass on one rape me, mommy jai. Listen, in your man kitchen now, they bring me the Chopbox to Chopbox. Milo need to need cafe.
No, what kind of time? No, what kind of or the badge? What the bed did you do?
Me say, do you know the most important thing?
It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men no be a fit. Over school management, me a hit. The friend with the cream of cakes.
That you be tested one 8 million.
What do you mean, Badge? I saw the name of Badge.
I swear, mommy.
Hey, me the bar watch him now. The media man.
Oh, what them? Our friends for mommy. Wouldn't him so dear. Me dear one, oh dear one. Me. Reggie. Loretta. Is that the prescribed length of uniform in this school?
Yes.
Have we not told you countless times that the length of your uniform should be below your knees? Madam, it's up to standard. Can't you see? Really? You girls are standing in front of me and you're still fibbing. Okay. Raymond! Hurry up! Go into the staff common room and get me a scissors. Okay. Hey, sir. Madam, this is the only uniform we have, oh, please, madam.
Charlie, go into your new bread town or your bed and apple.
Get up a bush.
Crime vessel.
Which is the killer on no lie. Do we hear any plan of 5 cities? And I don't go back home.
Now, don't go no be one. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Why are you engaging in vernacular and metamorphosis?
Say, calm down.
This is a learning institution. You should be practicing your English oral experiment.
Say, you know we don't understand what you are saying. Come down to our level.
Yes.
I am down. Well, I know you are not good students, so no problem. Why are you standing here? Idling about. Like metamorphosis.
We are waiting for someone.
You are waiting for someone. Well, good luck.
Good luck.
Say. Me today in class, everything I don't understand you.
So, well, this is not any excuse of a news. I know. How should that concern me?
Say me, my mother pay school fees. I know see me in.
Well, that is very good advice. We should be grabbing it
And every day when you come to class, you teach. I don't understand everything, all your subjects.
So, how do you want me to? What do you want me to do about this?
So I want you to help me.
Help you?
Yes.
Well. I don't have time on my hands right now. But I think that after your pre-surgical learning, prep, you can come to my ambience abode.
Say, yo.
My ambience abode, my bungalow.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Madam, but this is okay, madam. Just, madam,
sorry, madam, you will change it.
Madam, it's normal.
Change it,
madam, it won't happen again. Thank you very much.
Madam,
we are sorry.
Madam,
it won't happen again.
Madam, this will be our last.
Madam, this is the only one we have.
Please, we are begging you, madam.
I am going to use you girls as scapegoats so that everybody on this campus will know I will not tolerate that. I'm using you girls as a detriment to the other students.
Madam, please.
Oh my God! Madam, we are sorry.
Madam, we are sorry. Madam, please, I'm sorry.
Madam, we are sorry. Madam, this is the only one.
Madam, please. Madam, we are sorry. Madam, we are sorry.
This will serve as a detriment to the other students. Nonsense.
Madam, we are full pa.
You fucking. So why no one standing near me? No, I'm squirting on. Around 9 p.m. thereabout.
Okay.
I should be able to make some time to encourage your mother's advice of metamorphosing and exfoliating your books.
So when I'm coming, should I put on a uniform?
Well, because we are going to be engaged in serious activities of learning, give and take, I think you should wear something very active, something that can make you engageable.
Oh, I have one uniform that looks like this.
Very good. I like it.
Yes, sir.
I like it. You can wear that one.
Okay, sir.
And please, when you are coming, don't let anybody see you.
No problem, sir.
I don't want the students talk.
Yes.
I don't want them to be saying things. Yes, concern. That is the chi. Yes, the English is cucumbers.
Huh?
Cucumbers. Say it.
Yeah, this one, you know me.
Well,
I can't.
When you come, I'll take my time to teach you.
I hear, sir.
Huh?
I hear, sir.
I'll be expecting you around 9 p.m.
Okay, sir. Okay,
when you come, knock.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. 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 It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
Academically, men no me a fit. Over school management me a hit. The friend with the cream of
what will the past do here?
Oh, Sammy, can't you see I'm discussing something with Chiga? Which is which? Me no need say back na you.
What the botanical name of cocoa?
Botanical name of cocoa la cacao. Hey, just I was saying,
boss. I the only me
la cacao.
La cacao they say ade.
O say la cacao.
Kawa na.
And then who see botanical name for cocoa? And I'm saying la cacao. So only na ubusa. Now you know ubusa na makache wa o say
Same. School na yeba.
Gosh,
Adisuane nye force.
Oh, na say asemo ubusa na nye ntokwa. Wa soso. Wo dey say ofun bi anu asoso.
I don't want to mean fear. No, no fear.
Same. Se si a ono na wo so ntimi bia se webusa no. Ote ha enu osua parts of cockroach. Tafre, aboa ukofia, odi aduro kuku no.
Most of them the Bible na me fumu na John 11:35 na modi dwa ya fumu no. You know fear. E ja mo ja do church no. Nso ma de so akotena fie no ko pe carpenter be sua.
Ono usua aboa ukofia okuku no. Usua kokko a rigudi ko 18.
To say the atamfo twa ho ahie o.
me cry there.
I dey share na.
Atamfo ye twa ho ahia pa, so hwe ho yi.
Hey, then the mosquito are castle. Oh, yeah, you could be able to crap poison. I'm creating no crop, wait to make me. Okay. Oh, you know, okay. I will be a career walker and an enemy. What's that? Medasi. So they are man over Bompire.
It's a man. Who's a 2-star boy in his hand? I didn't have boy.
Empire back one, say the idea I would do.
What's a Mamma Cassati? Empire boy in that day. More want to be
botanical for cold like a cow.
And then they wound him just at the one
like a cow.
The book
Mon said that the mosquitoes that the catch us on. Me catch us some uncle and go on fair. My mammy, my man, fix it fast and follow our master. No,
that's what.
Oh, they don't know how.
Oh, my
Chopbox to Chopbox. It's 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 Chopbox to Chopbox.
Madam Monique. As you can see, yes, you know,
the environment is not bad.
You see, I told you.
Yeah, everything is on point.
Oh,
I was very happy when I got here because I had a name in the UK. Before I back Ghana, I'm Mrs. School here, very good. But I made a tool for most of the BS also is on point.
Yes, it's true.
Oh,
okay. So, just last time, no. I called the government to come and support us in the new building.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
When they come, we will see what we do.
You guys are really working.
School, they are a big school.
Because we share boys' dormitory. One of the last time he will say,
"Oh, madam.
Hey, Papa, please come here. Come and stand here. Papa, what is wrong with you?
So that's off today.
Huh? See your shirt. You didn't iron.
Yes, madam, I didn't iron it because the one I ironed was stolen by somebody.
That's the only one you have?
No, madam, I have two, but the other one is dirty.
Why are you wearing this?
The other one is dirty.
Improper dressing. You shouldn't do that. How could you? At first, you were very good in school.
I'm sorry, I had to put on this before I can go to class, you know.
And now see how you have mixed yourself up.
Those boys.
Papa, I don't like this, your dressing.
Madam, I'm sorry, I won't do that again.
You have to, you really have to change. It's very bad to dress like this. Form 3, right?
Yes, I'm in Form 3.
Oh, no. If you should dress like this, how would the Form 1 see you? It's very, very bad.
I hear, madam.
I learned you travel. You travel outside and you're behaving like this.
Madam, it's my character.
You have to change.
I'll change, madam.
As far as you are in the school, you have to change.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Madam, I'll change. Madam, I'll change. I'll change. I'll change.
And try and barber your hair too.
Thank you very much. Yes, madam.
You're a nice guy.
Madam, I'm going to the diner. Either than that, bury me. Bury me.
Boys and food.
Yes.
Boys and food.
Please don't do this.
It's very bad.
Because you know she's a newcomer, so we don't want.
Yes, madam, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox. It's Chopbox to Chopbox.
So yeah,
he's a nice guy.
So yeah,
he's a nice guy.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Let's try and then be helping. School now, we help them to become something better.
Tomorrow, when will you teach?
I think tomorrow afternoon. I have PE with the students.
Oh, okay.
The teacher called me that he will not be able to be coming, so I have to take over.
Okay,
so in the morning we will do the PE session, and then in the evening I have some evening lectures with them. Yeah.
Okay, for me, I will not come.
Oh, you said you were going somewhere. Yes, I had something at the staff room. Okay. So I'm going that way. My car is parked there, so we will talk tomorrow.
Okay, see you.
Bye. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Bye.
Chopbox to Chopbox. It's 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 Chopbox to Chopbox.